Okay, good morning, good afternoon. So, ada kita physics for engineers, that is electricity and magnetism. So, ada na kita magnetism nga part. Number 3. In a 1.25 Tesla, that is the magnetic field. 1.25 Tesla magnetic field B. So, B, natita nila. 1.25 Tesla. Field directed vertically upward. So, aton upward ini is z-axis. Diba? X, right hand rule kita ha, X curl Y, so Z aton ibaw. So, magnetic field directed vertically upward, a particle having a charge of magnitude 8.50. So, may dani mo, may dani mo 1.25 Tesla magnetic field directed vertically upward. So, may magnetic field niya mga vertically upward. So, kung vertically upward niya, that is positive Z. So, that is K hat. Oh. Tapos, 8.50. Particle having a charge of magnitude upward. A particle having a charge of magnitude 8.50 coulomb and initially moving northward. So this is the velocity. Initially moving northward sa y-axis 4.75. So y-axis kung pagkaduingon ta ini an aton y adina. Ari positive y ito. Ari positive y, ari positive x. Dere. Positive y ini is z. So that imo x ini. Diba? So an aton be 1.25 Tesla K hat. Andi. 1.25 Tesla. So 1, 2, already. Okay. There niya mga magnitude 1.25 Tesla on the K hat. So tipaigbaw. Tapos magnetic field niya mo tipaigbaw. Tapos ano pa kabutang? Charge initially moving northward 4.75 km per second. So may dani mo charge iti pakadto Q. Tapos and is deflected toward east. Actually imo east hindi di x-axis. So inihiya ani mo force ni nagkadikon hiya force. May dani mo field nga ati paigbaw B. So kung gamitan nimo right hand rule, Q tapos dapat tipabi ka. So nga di sugad nakasugad ka. Q cross B. So F iya. So tama na ti imo kabutang. This is already right hand rule, meaning positive ini tanan. Kay naka right hand rule ka man. Okay? Kaya baga namo ti pakiana. 850 microcoulomb initially moving northward 4.75 km seconds is deflected toward the east. So ani mo force kasi is amit mapa-deflect ta iya. Okay? So pag deflect niya Q cross B, so makikita natin yung tipakadto ha, is itaton force. So ibig sabihin, positive bintanan. What is the sign of the charge of this particle? So this particle should be positive. Positive. Baka conventionality the Q should be positive. So, unang answer, A. Tapos make a sketch to illustrate how you find the answer. So naghimo na kada ang sketch. So A is positive. So A is positive. So A is positive answer. Yeah, letter B, naghimo na akong sketch. Letter C. Nga kita letter C. Letter C is find the magnetic force of the particle. So magnetic force of the particle, force is Q V cross B. So ani mo Q? Q is 8.50 microcoulomb. So 8.50 micro times 10 to the negative 6 coulomb. So positive here, QV. Q is alright here, charge lahat here. An imo V and my direction. So an imo V is 4.75 times 10 to the 3 meters per second. 4.75 times 10 to the 3 meters per second. So this is initially moving northward. So kung northward, that is Y, J hat. Okay? So J hat, that is your y-axis, and then i-cross natin inihan aton B. B is going northward, an aton ngayon velocity. Velocity niya, velocity. So pakadto. So velocity is J hat. Okay? Tapos ano pa? And 1.25 Tesla upward. So 1.25 Tesla, that is Newton per ampere meter. Tesla. 1.25, if that is going upward, that should be a positive Z. So K hat. So may dakita so Fx usundan nila F. Ito nga aton F bulagon tala kay mahilaba. And Fx naton, that is Fx, that is AY BZ minus AZ BY. So may danaton AY YA niya bali nga duha kay ni scalar man lang niya. So AY waray. So 0 ini kay waray man AY ay. Sorry, maidangin AY. Kay J hat, so J is AY. How about BZ? This is K hat. Yes, this is BZ. Okay? How about AZ waray? AZ BY. So ini 0 ini. So adit aton may da AY, which is 8.50 times 10 to the negative 6, 4.75 times 10 to the 3 meters per second. J hat, that is AY. AY ni nga tanan ha, because that is on the y-axis. J hat. Tapos times 1.25 on your K hat. So this is BZ. So may kita ni magawas. 8.50 exponent negative 6 times 4.75 exponent 3 exponent 3 times 1.25. So, at magawas ito, that is 0.0505. Unit would be I hat. Na I hat ito iya kay because this is AX. FX. Okay? Nga di kita ha FY. FY is AX BZ minus AC BX. BX. So, AX waray 0. AZ waray 0. So, waray talaga kita Y. How about haton Z? Haton Z, that should be AX BY minus itaking kikinita ka na memorize formula. Kung Z iniya, dapat ituduha din nga product is waray and Z. Amo ta kinunahon na. Anyway, kita na lang chapter 1. AX BY didiliwat is AY BX. AX is waray kay J hatla sa waray. AY yes may da pero ning BX waray sa 0. So amo la talaga it answer. So 0.0505 Newton on the I hat. I hat adala hiya X component. So at answer ni kung bagagin tulo ka component imo X is 0.5 0.5. So we start with 5 0. So the answer is A, B, C, D, E. Tapos ECE para imo 0. Tapos ang imo duha ang Y ngan Z that is 0, 0. That is CECE. Okay? So amo talaga niya. Medyo makuri naman sir. Para kita mahimo. Kung indiretso na ta calculator, isasulod mo niya nga inira. Isasulod mo niya nga as vector. Yan agin manumano kung inidiretso. Gumamit kasi akong formula. Okay? So, kita na lang niyo para di ko magdugay. Danay pwede ko solbohin mano-mano, pwede calculator lang. Okay? Thank you guys for listening.